Lesson 4.4, the Pythagorean Theorem and the distance formula. I have continued up here, but you can ignore that. This is the most famous theorem in all mathematics. It's the Pythagorean Theorem. It states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where this is the hypotenuse of a right triangle. And these are the legs of a right triangle. Now, the math itself is not that hard. 8 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. 64 plus 36 equals c squared. 100 equals c squared. Square root of both sides, and since distance has to be positive, we only take the positive value. Same thing over here. C squared plus 9 squared equals 41 squared. Blast out all this math, get all your data done, you'll find that C equals 40. You might want to try that yourself on your own. See if you get that. Mistake here. This should be C. This should be 15. 8 squared plus 15 squared equals C squared. You might want to do this on your own. See if you can blast it out. If you do, you might want to pause the recording. But if you do, you will get C equals 17. What's wrong with all these problems? They all work without decimals. They're perfect. It's very rare. So, what if I told you to find the missing side and said A equals 7 and B equals 9? Well, you have to go and write it out yourself. You write in C. You could write in any variable you want. Say, well, 7 squared plus 9 squared equals C squared. 49 plus 81 equals C squared. 49 plus 81 is 130 equals C squared. C equals square root of 130. If you want to turn that into a decimal, by all means. So, what's a Pythagorean triple? Numbers that work exactly. No rounding required. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. How many are there? Well, infinite number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 5, 12, 13. Notice that I just multiplied this one by 2 to get this one. 8, 15, 17, 9, 40, 41. List goes on and on. How would you find the distance between these points? Always plot. Even if you think you can do it without. And always label. So now the question is, how do you find the distance between these points? And the answer is you make a right triangle. You come straight down and straight across. Now, however you want to do it, you say, all right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over. 6 squared plus 8 squared, we'll call that C, equals C squared. 100 equals C squared. C equals 10. Or if you knew that was a triple, once you saw 6 and 8, you could just do it that way. Now, there's a formula for this. That's formula. And you would take -4 comma 2 and 2 comma -6 and label them x1, y1, x2, y2, and you'd plug them all in here. And if you do that, you'll find out that D equals 10. So which way you want to do it, it's entirely up to you. If you want to memorize a formula, great. If you want to draw the graph, that's fine too. I'll do the formula here since I've already done the graph one. So we get D equals square root of 40. And that's it. Good luck.